Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hope that you're doing great. I'm going to do a Boxycharm opening. Anyway, Boxycharm is a subscription box for those of you that do not know, that you pay, I think it's $24.99 a month, and you get a bunch of full-size products, and they have a quiz that you can take to determine like what type of skin you have and what kind of products that you want to receive. So this is for the month of March, and because they're full-size products, every box I get I've liked. Some I've liked more than others, and I like them because it gives me a chance to try something that might cost a lot more than $24.99. And like this box here has 5 really great products. I did cheat and open this and look at it yesterday. Now this is the card. It's the Boxycharm Lucky for St. Patrick's Day. Cute card. And on the back it always tells you what the products are and what their retail price is. And I'm not going to add that up for you today, but I'm just saying that like one of these products is $38. So you've already saved right there. I will put a link down below for Boxycharm, and you can also follow them on Instagram, and I think they might have a YouTube. I'm not sure, but this is the card. And let's go by what I just grabbed. First product here is by Glow Recipe, and this is a company that I've been wanting to try I wanted to try one of the products for a while. I did get a watermelon something, but it was for oily skin, so I gave it to somebody that I know, not in this box, but that was like last summer. So I haven't tried any of theirs. This is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, calming and hydrating. I always like when I hear calming, hydrating, and brightening. Now this doesn't say brightening, but I'm going to try it anyway. Let's see, you use it after a serum. I don't usually use serums. Smooth a dime-sized amount to clean skin morning and night, and gently pat into skin until fully absorbed. Okay, so let me open the box. And it's packaged nicely. Comes in a beautiful glass, can't really hear that, but glass container. And it's kind of cute that it's yellow like banana. It has just the top where you would like stick your finger, or if you don't want to like contaminate it, you can take a Q-tip and stick it in and like dot it all over your face and rub it in. I don't mind these products that are just like an open container. I like the scent because I don't share this with anybody. So this probably, if you shared it, it'd be better maybe to put it in one of those containers that has a pump or like a squeeze tube. But I'm going to keep it in this. It's a pretty yellow color. It does have a light scent of banana. It doesn't really bother me. I'm sensitive to strong scents, but this doesn't bother me at all. And I believe that this product, I'm going to look at the card, I believe that it has squalene in it, which is one of the big skincare ingredients that's, all the rage lately. Let's see, lightweight moisturizer. Oh, lasting hydration without clogging pores. That sounds great. Non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic, so will not cause acne, which is wonderful. Because even in the age that I am, in my mid-50s, or mid to late 50s, I still will get a breakout now and then. And it's blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, which is another great product that's great for skincare, Sika, which I don't know what that is, and I thought this had squalene, but it doesn't say it does. But I look forward to trying this. I probably will use this at night, not during the day, because I like to use a moisturizer that has a SPF. Okay, now that I talked on and on about that, this is the wet brush cleaning system with a silicone scrubbing pad by the company Lavish, and it's a cute little tin. If I could get the top off. And in the tin you have a bar of soap that's the shape of a circle, and it's covered in plastic. The scent is very nice and fresh. And then on this side there's a silicone pad. So what you would do is take off the plastic, of course, wet it, then take your brush, and this one's dirty, which I need to clean, and go around, pick up some of that soapy water, or soap with water, and then go and scrub that out. And this looks like it'd be something for great deep cleaning. And please clean your brushes, because if you leave them, not only do they look gross, but they collect bacteria and germs, and that's why sometimes we break out. Okay, the next product I thought was pretty interesting. I did not know that these people started a cosmetic line, but this is the Cab lip oil, and this is by the company called Cab, K-A-B Cosmetics, and it's Kim, Ariana, and Brielle. And Kim was a housewife of Atlanta in the first few seasons, and she has another show with her family. I think she's married to a former football player, but her maiden name is, oh yeah, Kim Zolciak Bremen, something like that. And it's a lip oil. I really like lip oils, especially for sitting around the house. My lips can get very dry, and I like to put lip oils on before I go to sleep. I do sleep with a CPAP mask, and my lips get very dry, so I actually did try this yesterday. So it's not a total first time opening the box, but I'm sure you'll forgive me. This is in the color Rum Punch, and it's just a clear sort of like I don't even think you can even see the seed. It comes out like with a slight tint of pink. It's really nice. I'm going to put some over my lipstick. It's very moisturizing. It doesn't make your lips stick at all. As you see, I just put some on top of my lipstick and kind of refresh the color a little bit. I'm very, very happy that I got that. The next is a rose water setting spray. I don't always use setting sprays for my makeup, but I do like to keep them for kind of refreshing my face, especially in the summer. Here in Florida, it gets very hot. I'm used to it and I really love it, but sometimes you just want to refresh your face and not like go in the bathroom, wash your face and all that. Just spray some of this on. In fact, what I'll do is I'll try a little bit. I don't know why I was shaking it upside down. And this is supposed to smell like rose. That's nice. It's very refreshing. The scent is hardly any rose scent I smell. So that is by the company Maven. And I should have been giving you the price of these products, so I'll do that at the end. And the last is something that I'm looking forward to because I love me some eyeshadow. Love, love, love. Lipstick, eyeshadow, I could just have those forever. This is by Lime Crime, and believe it or not, I don't have any Lime Crime. This is the Venus 3 palette. Beautiful packaging. It's a cardboard, and I love that picture of Venus. Beautiful. And inside are my favorite colors. We've got some purples, we've got a mauve, we've got some grays. This is a beautiful cool tone palette, which I don't have much of. I know, another shocker. Most of my palettes are warm tone because that's what they sell. So I'm really excited to dig myself to be playing with this. Okay, so let's start with this price, and I'm gonna put my box on the side, and I always recycle those. For the Venus palette, The retail price, if I can get that closed there, is the Venus, oh, Lime Crime, I'm looking for Venus as the company, is $38. The Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture is $39. Now these are retail prices. The Maven Beauty Rose Water Spray is $22. And you know, these are really great too if you go to like an amusement park. Put this in the refrigerator like the night before, stick it in like your backpack or whatever, and you could just cool yourself off all day. Love doing that. And if you want to put it like in a little bottle, maybe like this, it's even more convenient. Okay, the Wet Brush Cleaning System by Lavish is $15. And then the lip oil by Cab Cosmetics with the K. It's hydrating lip oil and it's $20. And it's supposed to last all day, so it lasts me pretty much all night, so that's great. So as you can tell, you save a lot of money. And now I'm not getting paid anything. I'm not sponsored by Boxycharm. I just love sharing things. And if you can save a buck or two or 10 bucks, whatever, or more with these, you have more money to save or spend elsewhere. So I am going to let you go. I hope that you enjoyed the Boxycharm for the month of March. And check out the website below that I will put for the Boxycharm. If you're interested, you can cancel at any time too. And I've had this Boxycharm subscription for at least 2 years, maybe even more. I'm sorry that I'm constantly playing my hair, but it's just a habit that I can't get rid of. Have a great day. I will see you soon and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.